Hey guys, it's Matt with AceThatQ. Today we're going to be making a super simple, easy recipe on the Traeger grill. Today we're going to be cooking some chicken drumsticks. Don't forget to check the description below for the full recipe and all the gear that we used on today's cook. So, let's go AceThatQ. So I already had the Traeger preheating at 375 degrees. So now we just need to go through and season up our chicken legs and we'll put them right onto the grill. So today we're going to be using Spiceology's Maui Wowee. It's a good Hawaiian teriyaki blend. And then right after the cook, or towards the end of the cook, we're going to come back with the Yuzu Japanese barbecue sauce. It's going to make for an epic combination and just something you're going to have to try. So we're just going to go through, season up the chicken, put on as little or however much you'd like. I like to usually go for a lot, and we like to coat all sides of the chicken. All right, now that I have my chicken seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and grab our meter and put it into one of the bigger pieces of chicken, just because it has a lot more meat in it, and it's gonna take just a little bit longer to cook than some of the smaller ones. So you wanna go ahead and stick it in about 3/4 of the way, and there is a little line on there that tells you where you need to stick it into. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on the grill at 375 degrees. Once they get to about the 165 degree mark, we're gonna go ahead and start putting on a couple coats of the Japanese barbecue sauce. Once it gets to about 170 to 175, we're gonna pull them off, let them rest for about 10-15 minutes, and then dive in and have a bite. All right guys, we just took these off the grill. They look and they smell amazing. So now all we have to do is just dive on in, take a bite, and see how we did.